Today, I want to share something simple but powerful that happened during my quiet time recently as I was preparing for my day. I caught myself thinking I should finish the editing on that book. I need to call Anne. But then I remembered a discussion in my Monday morning Bible study. What if instead of I should, I said I want? What if instead of I have to, I said I will? That shift changes everything. I should and I have to feel like obligations. They carry pressure. They make me feel overwhelmed. But I want to and I will. Those are declarations of intent and desire. They say, I'm in. I choose. Philippians 2:13 says, "For it is God who works in you to will and to act in order to fulfill his good purpose." God isn't just asking us to do things. He's offering to shape our desire to do them, but he won't force it. We have to choose to walk with him step by step. So here's my challenge for you today. The next time you hear you say, I should, or I have to, pause. Ask God to help you shift to I want to, I will, because that's where the joy begins. That's how we walk, not just toward his purpose, but with him. Until next time, keep walking with God.